most amazing thing happened. I was... Hold up, I gotta tell you real quick how this happened. I'm leaving my hotel. I'm in San Diego, got a hotel right off the beach. I want to go visit this little town I'm in, right? Get on my little scooter, and I'm off. Driving around, enjoying myself, looking at all the palm trees, and then I spot this truck. You can barely see it. Bam. I follow it, and I find this, and then I meet this guy. Who's this guy? Well, let's find out.
Hey, F100 World, what's happening? We're down here in beautiful San Diego. Tommy the Fishmonger here. Got my 55. I like to call her Franken truck. Things are well. We're down here at Sunset Garage in Ocean Beach, home of the Hot Rods. Johnny and his crew are down here. They're doing all kinds of great stuff. Seeing how it's F100 World, check out this bad boy right here. Good things are going on. And speaking of Fords, you got the Mustang on the lift. You got the Mach 1 back there. I know just the other day a Cobra left, so that was super cool to see. But you know what they say? It's all about F100s, low and slow. Get it down on the ground, lay some rubber. Here we go. Check it out. We're gonna go see Johnny next. This is Johnny. This is
Hey, how you doing, man? Craig. Fine. I'm cool with grease. If you're cool with germs.
F100 World, we're talking about trucks.
Nice,
Yeah.
good deal.
Tell me about your shop real quick.
Yeah, so shop's been here since 1934. We're the fourth owner of it. Bought it last year, 2020. Kind of do a little bit of everything. Try to keep the old cars on the road. A little bit of performance stuff, service and maintenance, man.
That's
what we
cool.
do.
Yeah, I see a little bit of everything
Yeah.
from like 1960s, 1950s to a Pathfinder or
Yeah, you
whatever,
can
that
find-
is over there.
yeah, you-
Xterra.
Absolutely, you know, we're just a general repair shop, so we
Yeah.
love cars and
You're
trucks.
a gearhead, so you
gearhead.
have no limitations.
Nope, I'll work on anything.
That's awesome, man. Well, cool. You want to show me around the
Yeah,
shop?
for sure.
Yeah,
So
feel free
this
to.
is our main office here. A little nostalgic room.
I like it.
But my wife's a collector, so we always got something interesting going on. All the art from our friends.
That's cool. Dang it, I just got done doing a show, and I had some art I wouldn't mind. Honestly, I'm going to get your address.
Yeah, for sure. No, man, we
I think a black one would go good in here, honestly.
yeah.
Cool, man.
My Model T truck I'm getting ready to build. Truck's been around forever. Was originally a Bean Bandit car.
Ooh, man, flathead. Oh,
yeah.
my gosh.
Yeah, I'm sticking to the flathead, so it's gonna take me a little longer. The car was running and driving in the 90s, 2000s.
Yeah.
It was a Bean Bandit car, so it was a drag strip car. I picked it up last year and gonna put a new flathead in it and get on the road, have it as a little shop truck. You know.
Cool.
Got the 30 Model A here. This thing's getting a stroke big block. Should be done on Tuesday.
Big block Chevy?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what was in it, so we're putting it back in there.
Customer's car?
Yeah, same guy who owns the truck there.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to have to. Yeah, look at that one.
Yeah, we're getting ready to put a 429 Cadillac motor in it.
Really?
Yeah, I'm just struggling with some fitment issues, but
That's what's exciting, you know?
yeah, right. Well, the 429 Cadillacs, they actually had a front sump pan, so in order to put in a C10, I got to make a rear sump. So
Okay.
I'm working on that. Motor's all rebuilt, probably 20 miles on it, you know. Got a little crate motor from Blueprint here.
Oh, man.
Little stroker, 500 horse.
You happy with Blueprint? I mean, I've heard nothing but good things.
Nah, man. I mean, you know what? Like, 30,000 miles, the 30-month warranty. I think that motor was under $6,000 out the door. Showed up in 3 days. So we're getting waiting for the transmissions getting built right now. He's doing a 6-speed Trimic. I got all the front end stuff. We're doing all control arms and everything.
That's cool.
Yeah. So still trying to figure out the logistics of everything.
Exciting, yeah.
Yeah. So
What do we got over here?
this is a C10 I've been working on for last year.
This parts truck.
My parts truck. So
That's cool. I like that.
yeah, he's got it all chromed, and of course Ocean Beach is eating it. But
Right.
I did the 4-link and C-notch, all the airbags. Just got done with the Dakota Digital.
I asked him, and I'm looking in 4-link or 3-link. What do you think about 3-link, 4-link compared? You know.
I mean, the 4-link's an easy setup to put in.
Yeah,
you know?
cheap and easy.
Cheap and easy. Depends on where you're running. You know, if I would have known better, you know, I may have gone with just the trailing arms that are C-notched.
Yeah. Because
you can get pretty low.
Right.
The difference between this thing sitting on the ground in the front is another $5,000. I mean, maybe 100 hours cutting that cross member. You gotta really cut all the cross members out, put a Mustang 2 front end on it, and to get it to sit lower. But he wanted these wheels, and they just don't fit, and he wanted the fender wells. So most guys take these fender wells out, go with the hidden hinges. Yeah. So, but he wanted to keep it all together. So right now, I mean, the wheels are sitting on the frame, so there's nothing really, you can't really go much lower.
It looks awesome,
so.
but you can't go anywhere.
No. So I just got to make the brake lines, finish some wiring, and then it'll go off the paint. He's actually just got one-piece windows he wants to do. I don't know why. I like the windows.
I know, right? So can I have 60s but not? That'd be great.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, his other truck's a 57, and
this is cool though.
Yeah, it looks okay. I would have. He's a good friend of mine, so I've been helping him with that stuff.
Is that lacquered fence post or fence?
No, it's actually redwood, so it is tongue and groove.
Is that why I thought that? Because I see the tongue and groove.
Yeah, it's tongue and groove.
Yeah.
I would have gone with like a more traditional wood, but
well, you did a great job, and he obviously.
Yeah, it's cool. You know, when he came in, I mean, he originally came in for it was a 4x4. And came in because the motor wouldn't fit with those cast headers. Yeah. So he wanted me to notch the frame. He notched the frame and took the springs out and set the truck on the ground. And then he's like, "Oh, I kind of want that." So it kind of turned into a big old, you know. Cool. So, but the 4-link, like I said, the 4-link was really easy to install, and cheap. You know, I mean. $400 or $500.
I was gonna say 3-link. I'm finding at least 3,000. I'm just like, or what 3-link? You know, I'm like, good lord.
I would go to 4-link. You know,
I'm sure they're cheaper out there, but
yeah. So Mach 1 is getting 5-speed Tremec, fuel injection, right new cam, new wiring. Guys had this for.
God, this is so much. This is like, what, 68, 69?
69.
That's my favorite year. Oh my gosh.
Right, Andrew? 69? Yeah. I always forget.
Yeah, well, you got to really know them to know the difference, like with the tail lights and stuff. Yeah. So, can I walk on your wet floor, man? I'm sorry.
Yeah, you're fine, man.
You sure?
No, you're good.
It's not a lobby of a hotel or anything, right?
No.
It's cool, man.
Yeah. It's like I said, Bertino's been here 22 years, 21 years. So
wow.
Andrew's been here a year now almost. It's crazy to see the transformation of the shop. I mean, there wasn't any cars in here when we got it.
Really?
You know, even though they were busy, they just did do a lot of project stuff.
Yeah.
We kind of mixed it up a little bit.
Cool. This Mustang over here is cool.
Yeah, that's cool. We just did a disc brake setup and found out that somebody put a 70 drum brake spindle on the right, so the kit don't fit. So we gotta go get a spindle. So, yeah. Bertino threw the disc brake kit on last night. Gonna do a V8 later. It's a 6-cylinder car.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Kind of a shame, but.
I mean, I guess it's different. To, like.
Yeah.
Somebody did some nice body work on it.
Oh gosh. Beautiful.
Well, hey man, that's awesome. I'll tell you what.
Where are you from?
Springfield, Missouri,
okay,
man.
Cool.
Yeah. Hey, you're busy and stuff, but I was gonna talk about this real quick.
Yeah. So, just did the Offenhauser.
Another 6-banger.
Yeah. Dual port.
Wow.
Trying to get it all dialed in right now.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
I need to get your card.
Yeah. It's been sitting a while, but it's gonna get it's got a small block in it already, but thought we'd do something different with that Cadillac motor.
That's cool, yeah.
So,
I don't know if you meant to or if you're gonna change it, but I like that the wood in the back is like aged.
All right.
Yeah,
no,
you know?
I don't think he's gonna do anything. He even likes the paint peeling. It's just
That's just how it is today, man.
for sure.
I talked to some guys, they're just like, "You're not gonna paint it." I have a flat black truck, you know.
Okay,
and I'm just
yeah.
like, "No, man, I'm good." You know,
I'm good.
I didn't think I'd ever be a fan of the flat black,
Yeah.
but people really reacted to it.
Yeah.
I think because it's attainable.
Yeah.
You know, when you see a mid truck or car, you're just like, "Oh, cool," but then you're like, "I can't afford that." You
No.
know?
I mean, like Dave's truck, his other truck is fucking, you can eat off of it, you know. $150,000 Art Morrison chassis, you know.
Woo!
And it's just, you can't drive it, you know.
Yeah.
Like, it's like scary to drive, you know. You can't scratch it, you know.
Can't scratch
I remember when
it.
I was up because I used to manage JBA, and that's how I met Dave. And his red truck was there, and Jay was all mad because they wouldn't let him wash it. You know, Jay used to have a lineup in front of the shop of like 30 cars, and it had a sticker, a note on it that said "Do not wash." And they got into this big heated argument about it.
Wow.
And I met Dave, and he's a cool dude. You know, he's like, "Don't wash my truck." You know, he's like, "I just get it detailed." You know, he's like, I don't want, because he goes, "I know you're just gonna have the 18-year-old kid wash it, which is no big deal, but I like my paint. It ain't got no swirl marks. You know, it's super nice.
Right.
So don't wash it." And Jay was like, "Well," so he tucks it in the back and is all mad at it. You know, and then, "Hey, see ya," and then tries to sell him a $27,000 motor. You know, $30,000 motor. He's like, "Just want a motor."
Right,
You know?
yeah.
I can get a crate motor for 15 grand. You know.
Is that a challenge you've had dealing with every customer or every person has something different? A way of like when it comes to building. I mean, you're talking about cleaning a car, but like when it comes to building, you know, like they come
Absolutely.
in with an idea that you're like, "Oh, okay," but like that doesn't work that way.
No, absolutely. You know, I mean, the thing about it is I grew up here. I've worked at numerous hot rod shops, managed hot rod shops, managed JBA. It's really a customer service more of a thing.
I believe it, yeah. You said you're everything, but still,
Yeah, but it's the same thing with all cars, you know. So everybody's got a different understanding of mechanics and understanding of what they want.
Yeah.
You know, some people come in and want stuff that's not really practical or feasible. But you just kind of got to work with everybody's budget and stuff. But you know, it's like everybody, you want what you want, you know. So you try to find something that's
cool.
Meets everybody's.
But then again, you get guys like me that just
Like
say,
you.
just put what you put on it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Those are the best.
That's
you know?
kind of how
But
I
those-
am.
but
Yeah,
those
I have an
take-
idea, but then I'm like, yeah, have fun with
Yeah,
it,
but those are far and few between, and those take a little more nurturing, you know. But it's just like I said, different strokes for different folks, you know. I mean,
Yeah.
everyone's got a different idea of what they want, you know. We kind of try to work around everybody's budget.
Man, I appreciate this. Taking some time out, dude.
Yeah, it's a great spot, man. I mean, we're right
Yeah.
here at the beach, you know. I mean, I don't know of any. I think shops in California by the beach are getting far and few between.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
can't-
I actually did not know this was. You know what I mean? Like when I zoomed in on Google, kind of thing. Like it might have said shop, it might have said, but I just happened to drive. I followed him actually.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
Oh,
I was
cool.
I was
Yeah,
stalking this guy.
Yeah,
You know?
I'll show you some here.
All right, cool.
Here's this is about the oldest picture we can find.
Oh wow,
So this is probably 55, 56.
that's wild.
Something
It
like
looks
that.
like a drawing, but is it black and white?
Yeah, it's black and
picture.
white.
That is so cool.
So that's what it was in the 30s.
Wow.
And then it was a European. So Sunbeam, MG,
Oh, okay.
Hillman, Austin, Morris, Jaguar, Talbot, and then of course the domestic. But yeah, it was this family started it back in the 30s,
Wow.
and then somewhere in the 60s the sign came down, and it turned into Sunset Garage.
You need to find a sign like that.
I'm gonna make one. Yeah, I'm gonna
make one.
Yeah,
Even better. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna make one, and
Cool.
As soon as the it's just been a challenge, you know, with COVID.
Oh yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
we were
That's a common
expecting,
saying right there.
Well, we were expecting we're still painting and you know.
Yeah. It's
changing
beautiful,
stuff,
man. Yeah.
But
Well, cool, man.
Yeah.
I'll get out of your
For
hair,
sure, man.
dude. I appreciate it. Yeah. I'll give you one too.
Yeah,
man,
for sure.
All right, man. Name drop. Do you have any social medias or anything like that?
yeah,
going on?
Sunset Garage on Facebook, and Sunset of what is it? Sunset Garage _ OB. Yeah, Sunset Garage _ OB
I'll tag it.
1934.
All right, cool, man. Thank you so
All
much.
right,
I
bud.
really
Nice to meet
appreciate
you, man,
that.
for
Yeah,
sure.
you too.
See you guys.
See ya.